Welcome to day 28 of DailyAIWizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement, ready to build AI with epic tools and frameworks. Today we're diving into AI's toolkit magic, unleashing TensorFlow, PyTorch, and more. This 20-minute journey will blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master AI tools. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore AI tools. They power amazing projects, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock toolkit secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. AI frameworks like TensorFlow are pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo classifying MNIST digits. It's going to be awesome. Stick with us for this magic.
Ethan here. AI tools are game changers, and I'm stoked to code a TensorFlow demo with Sophia. Let's build AI magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for toolkit power.
I'm Olivia, and I'm utterly fascinated by AI tools and frameworks. I'll explain their power on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you, Anastasia. These tools are AI's backbone. Let's make toolkit magic.
Today we're diving into AI tools and frameworks, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, tackle ethical challenges, and build a Python demo classifying MNIST digits. This journey will ignite your passion for AI building. Let's master toolkit magic. Get ready for AI's framework power. Isabella, why are AI tools exciting?
They're powerful, Anastasia. Tools like PyTorch make AI accessible, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine AI building. Let's unlock their potential.
Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, and I'm totally fascinated by AI tools and frameworks. They simplify AI development with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, enabling rapid prototyping. This is pure toolkit magic. From models to apps, they're game changers. I'm thrilled to break it down. Anastasia, how do frameworks speed up AI projects?
Great question, Olivia. Frameworks provide pre-built functions, slashing coding time for AI models. It's like a builder's kit. I'm excited to dive deeper with you. This is AI's fast track. Let's explore its magic. Why use AI tools and frameworks? They accelerate development, support diverse applications, provide community support, and enhance performance. It's revolutionizing AI building. This is vital toolkit magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see their impact. Frameworks empower AI. Isabella, what's your take?
They're accessible, Anastasia. Tools like Scikit-learn make AI easy, and I love it. I'm eager to explore more. This democratizes AI. Olivia, why community support?
It's huge, Isabella. Communities fix bugs and share code, making tools stronger. I'm fascinated by their collaboration. This boosts AI innovation. Let's build with these tools.
TensorFlow is a powerhouse. It's an open-source framework supporting deep learning, like image classification, and is widely used in industry. It's a core AI toolkit. I'm excited to break it down. This is industry-grade AI in action. Let's build with TensorFlow. Isabella, why TensorFlow?
It's versatile, Anastasia. TensorFlow tackles big projects, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like an AI engine. This drives innovation.
PyTorch is dynamic. It excels in research, like GAN training, offering flexibility for prototyping. This is research-grade AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's prototype with PyTorch. This sparks AI creativity. Isabella, why PyTorch?
It's flexible, Anastasia. PyTorch makes research fun, and I'm excited. It's like a lab tool. This fuels experiments.
Scikit-learn is beginner-friendly. It's a machine learning library supporting classic algorithms, like classification, ideal for starters. This is accessible AI magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's learn with Scikit-learn. This simplifies AI. Isabella, why Scikit-learn?
It's easy, Anastasia. Scikit-learn makes AI approachable, and I'm thrilled. It's like a starter kit. This builds confidence.
Keras is user-friendly. It's a high-level API for TensorFlow, simplifying model building, like neural networks, with an easy interface. This is intuitive AI magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's build with Keras. This streamlines AI. Isabella, why Keras?
It's simple, Anastasia. Keras makes coding AI fun, and I'm excited. It's like a quick builder. This saves time.
Other AI tools shine too. Hugging Face powers NLP, OpenCV handles computer vision, like chatbots and image processing, expanding capabilities. This is versatile AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's explore these tools. This broadens AI. Isabella, why hugging face?
It's cool, Anastasia. Hugging Face makes chatbots smart, and I'm thrilled. It's like a language wizard. This enhances AI.
AI tools power industry. They're used by tech giants for recommendation systems, driving business innovation. This is real-world AI magic. I'm excited to explore it. Let's apply tools. This transforms business. Isabella, why industry use?
It's impactful, Anastasia. Tools boost companies, and I'm thrilled. It's like a business wizard. This fuels innovation.
AI tools for beginners are welcoming. They offer simplified interfaces, tutorials, and tools like Google Colab, lowering the learning curve. This is beginner AI magic. I'm thrilled to share it. Let's start with tools. This builds skills. Isabella, why beginner tools?
They're friendly, Anastasia. Colab makes AI easy, and I'm excited. It's like a learning pal. This empowers newbies.
AI tools for research are cutting edge. They support flexible frameworks like PyTorch Lightning, advancing discoveries. This is research AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's innovate with tools. This pushes science. Isabella, why research tools?
They're advanced, Anastasia. Tools drive breakthroughs, and I'm thrilled. It's like a lab spark. This advances AI.
AI tools face challenges. Learning curves, compatibility issues, resource demands, and updates are obstacles. We'll tackle these for better AI building. I'm thrilled to solve them. Let's overcome hurdles. This advances tools. Isabella, why learning curves?
They're tricky, Anastasia. Tools can be tough, but I'm excited for solutions. It's like a skill puzzle. This boosts mastery.